Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw tomato sauce. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. So firstly, we peel an avocado and put it in the blender. We blend an avocado and add a tablespoon of cold pressed oil. I will use flaxseed oil. Now we add some soaked seeds. For example, sunflower, chia or flax seeds. Now we add a tomato. If after blending the taste is not enough like tomato flavor, add 1 or half more. Now we add some onion and blend everything together. Now it's time for spices. I will use salt, yeast flakes, chili, sweet pepper, and basil. Blend everything again. Our sauce is ready. Now just put it in a bowl. You can use it as a sauce to your dishes, but also, for example, as a dip for vegetables. Bon appetit!